Um, so I guess that's kind of really where, um, I look at the market every day. Kind of, are you able to build above a level, or is you getting rejected at that particular price level? Let's go to another. Okay, I figure out, like, let's talk kind of like throughout all of these things on a chart.
Mhm.
So let's go back to Roblox. So let's see what it's on a. So here's what we're looking at a daily, and now you're gonna like, oh my god, there's 1,000 lines on this chart, right? Yeah, but you can toggle that on and off on the daily. But really, what I'm looking for throughout the day is it growing or contracting what is it throughout the trading day. So we have this initial price spike here, and there's a congestion, and it pushes above that, right? So it tells us, look, there's demand above this price congestion, and then it's supported, right? It revisits it where we found it before, pushes it above, revisits it, it puts supported, and then here's the first price spike that gets rejected, right? We kind of just steady contract, normal price action. Once you get a price, test in this, obviously looks like it was first thing in the morning. They gapped it up, and they found sellers until the next day they gapped it down, but it also found demand at that same level. But then it keeps kind of growing out, you know, and you can see as it just kind of trades between the ladder. So we know that we had a rejection point right here from this previous, I guess, Icarus level, right? And when you can build above that prior level where it was rejected, that tells us that's a pretty good, that may be a place you're interested in taking risk, um, or taking profits if you've already got the position, or you want to monitor it. So it pushes back, and then again, the same level that where it was Icarus was flying is now becomes resistance, becomes support, or support becomes resistance. And obviously it works both ways, but you get this kind of demand area that had previously been supply, and it becomes an area where people are going to support it. So and it's supported again. So we know that there's still demand. They tested again here, this level where it kind of pulled back into, and until you get up to here, where you get the $100 level, they gap it up, and then they played games up, they played games this down. These kind of $100 levels tend to be these price points that are a lot of games get played at there, because it's a big round number. It tends to attract price, it tends to attract trading, and then so moves above that a lot of times get faded, but it